Tax season is around the corner, and you might be wondering, do I need to file a tax return in 2025? Well, SARS has just gazetted new guidelines, and if your income situation is simple, you might be off the hook. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to FinEd, your favorite financial education channel. In this video, we'll break down who does not need to file, what counts as auto-assessed, key deadlines you need to know, and common exceptions that could still require you to submit. But before we get into it, please hit that subscribe button. Let's start with the important dates. SARS hasn't officially opened tax season yet, but here's what we do know. Auto assessments will roll out about 2 weeks before the official opening. Individual taxpayers have until 20 October 2025 to file. Provisional taxpayers and trusts get until 19 January 2025. And just to clarify, this season covers income earned between the 1st of March 2024 and 28 February 2025 for individuals and company financial years ending anytime in 2025. As always, most companies and juristic persons in South Africa need to file if they earned income, held assets or liabilities, or made a capital gain or loss. This includes non-resident companies trading in South Africa and trusts. If you're a provisional taxpayer like a freelancer or business owner, you'll almost certainly need to file. But let's talk about the good news now. You don't need to file a tax return if you're a natural person or a deceased estate and you meet all the following conditions. You earned less than 500,000 in the year from a single employer. No travel allowance, company car, or business expense reimbursements were included. SARS already withheld employees' tax or PAYE from your salary, and you didn't earn other income like rental or freelance pay. You also don't need to file if you only earned interest under these limits. 23,800 if you're under 65, 34,500 Rand if you're 65 or older, 23,800 for a deceased state. Dividends if you were a non-resident for the whole year, tax-free investment income, or a single lump sum from a retirement fund if tax was already deducted via a SARS directive. Now, here's the catch. Even if you earned under 500,000, you still need to file if you received any allowances for travel, accommodation, or meals, you were given a company car or other fringe benefits, or you worked outside South Africa and earned foreign income. In these cases, SARS wants a full return from you. Since 2021, SARS has been using tech to auto-assess more taxpayers. If you're eligible, you'll get an SMS or email before tax season officially opens. If your income matches what SARS sees from third-party data like your employer, medical aid, or banks, then SARS will auto-complete your return for you. You'll just need to check and accept it. Here's the important bit. If you ignore the auto-assessment or reject it, you'll need to submit a full return manually. Just because you're exempt from filing doesn't mean you should ignore tax season entirely. Always double check that your income records are correct, deductions and rebates are included. If something's missing, you could be paying more tax than necessary or even missing out on a refund. So, do you have to file in 2025? If your income is simple and below 500,000 Rand per year, you might not. But make sure you're not missing any exceptions. Keep an eye out for SARS auto assessments SMSs in July. Mark your deadline, 20 October for individuals, 19 Jan for provisional taxpayers. And when in doubt, check with a tax practitioner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who always ask, do I need to file? We'll see you in the next one.